Alrighty guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at how to open the file format of a PDF, and this will be for FabriCAM. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Now if we go back into the program, so we've just in the previous video looked at opening DXF files. Now we're going to be looking at PDF files, that is basically vector graphics, so it's ready for cutting. So now the same as before, we can just go file open or open file and then look for our PDF. Now once again, if you do not find it, it's important that we go here at the bottom to type of file and we set this to PDF. Otherwise, we're going to run into a little problem where we can't find our file. I already have one, but I'm just going to quickly recreate one because that was a test one. So now if I go back here to Inkscape, so this is our previous file, I'm just going to make a quick badge here. Like I said, this is not a tutorial on how to use the program. I just to spice it up a bit, I like to change, keep it different. So I'm going to make like a kind of a superhero type badge, put that in the back. Just want to duplicate this star and then make a cutaway from the background. So I'm just going to go different. So now if I had to move this back, you can see there's already a star outcut. Then I'm going to take the actual star, quickly scale it down, and then we select both of these. Now I'm just going to combine them on user union. So now it's one shape. So when we import it, it's not going to, it's going to do it as different shapes, but it's going to read it when we import it as one shape. Now what I want to do, I want to quickly save this as a PDF. Now depending on your program you use, you might have to export it as a PDF, but in my case I'm going to go File, Save As. Then it is important from this Save As type, we're going to select this and we're going to navigate down till we find PDF. There we go, PDF, portable document format. Select that, select the old file, save. It's going to ask me some info about what I want to set the settings as. I'm just going to leave everything as default, click replace, and now we can go back into our program. So now here's this PDF file. If we click here, as you can see here, this is the file we created, so everything looks the same. I'm going to say select, and then like I mentioned before, if you don't have a sheet, now we get to see it. Here they've got a little error, please add a sheet first, or please add the sheet first. So this is the area I was telling you guys about. But in any case, so now we go quickly, new sheet, set the dimensions. I'm just going to put one diameter. Now we go again, so file or open file. I keep calling it the other way around because of most programs. Then we want to go PDF, select it. Then it's going to preview us. So I'm going to say manual quantity 1, depending on how many you want to add. Say add. And then as you can see on the bottom left here, it was showing us it was loading. And now we have our shapes here. So as you can see, it broke them all into individual shapes. If they were connected, like if they were bridging, then it would see it as one shape. Now what you would do, I would recommend you start with the landmark shape, which will be the star. You add that in the middle, and then you just run through all the rest. And try get it in a distance from your star where it kind of still creates a circle afterwards, where it doesn't become some oddly warped circle. So you'll just have to fine adjust this until you like the end result. Mine is a bit warped, so you just get your spacing right, and there you go, you've got your little shape. And yeah, otherwise that is it on opening PDF files. It's portable graphics. This is great because PDFs are such a universal file format. Everybody uses it online, so you know you're going to find a lot everywhere you look. So just a quick recap. So to open PDFs, you're going to go open file, make sure you've got a sheet, change your file of type to PDF, and then select it, preview it, and add it. But yeah, before we head to the next format, if we go to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.